Hi guys, so today our topic is about that how to maintain your plants in summer and what's the sense behind how to keep your plant very well in the summers also. Let's begin. So the first tip is the deadheading. The deadheading can be used to the plant to help the plant to do not waste the energy on the dead leaves or the dead part of the plants. By removing the dead heading can improve the plant growth and ensure to grow new leaves in the new form. Dead heading can also be very helpful in the plant to maintain the growth in the plant. In summers, that is the most weird thing that is occurred in summer because of the like hot weather. The leaves get burned like this. So that's the next problem. So, as you know, the fern is a humidity lover plant, and in summers, the humidity is very low in the comments. So, what we can do to maintain the humidity to prevent the plant like lush green, as you can see this one. So the thing we can do is to put the plant in the semi-shade area, not a like direct sun area, and we can put this type of a jar or anything which has no drainage hole. And then what we have to do, we have to put some of the water to maintain the humidity by level, and when it requires the humidity it will evaporate and it will be get the humidity level at the same which the plant need to maintain its growth. So that's the best idea in summers to take care of your plants. So the next thing is, do not give the water to your plants when the sun is on the root at the time of 1 o'clock to the another when the sun is directly on the plant. If we give water at that time, the plant will be get the shock of the temperature that the water will be evaporate in the highest humidity. So what we can do that we have to give water at a time of 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock at the like morning time, or at the evening, like to be honestly like to 4 to 5 when the sun has been in the lower heat. So that's the good idea to give your plant water to maintain the care in the summers basically. And it is applicable for both plant like in the shady area or the others which are at the direct sun, because it's best to maintain the plant like it's a hot weather. So let's begin to the fourth tip. So the next tip is to put your plant closerly, because putting plant closerly in the summer can maintain the humidity in our plant and to ensure the growth of the plant, that it will increase the humidity in plants by the closing of the plant and decrease the like hotness level in the plant. So that's the fourth tip, and let's begin to the next one, the last tip, which is very informative tip. As you know, in summers it's too hot that the plant get burned and the leaves are gonna be like brownish and falling down. To maintain them greenery in their next level, to again bring them green, what we can use our tray, put three type of stone, you can use any type of stone at the bottom, and put the pot on the stones to maintain the like space in the pot and the tray, and fill it with the water. That can maintain the humidity in plant and maintain the plant greener, and the water will evaporate and give the humidity. So that's the last tip. And so guys, as you can see, we can also use the sponge, as already we have to soak it in the water, and as you can see here, in a small sponge there's a little bit how much water is available. So we can use this type of sponge in our pot to give the water when our plant needs. So that's the best idea. So please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and like the video and subscribe my channel, and bye.